Are you ready for the revolution of accountability, responsibility? Tanya, Deborah, love you, Nicole, Briscoe, appreciate all your hard work, Mama Caesar, Gretchen Whitmore, Kelly Breen, Carla Baratta. You know, spread all the beautiful mamacitas out there, because yes, indeed, you inspire me every day. 36 degrees in the True North Original. But you know what? We dance, brothers, sisters, family. And you know what? Brothers, sisters, all that. We have a revolution of fun. Oh my goodness. It's a warm heat right here. Versus drinks, True North Original. Satellite of truth, accountability. And you know, beautiful ladies attack the world. Brothers, sisters, love what you do. Appreciate you the most. Because yes, indeed, that's what we're all about. Nicole, Briscoe, Oklahoma, after cold. You know, Gretchen Whitmore, Kelly Green, the beautiful ladies of Michigan. Yes, we are positivity. Bang, bang. And here it is, Elsa Girl. Always running around with her daddy in the True North Original. Stay strong. It's a revolution. Are you ready for it? Just go back, back, Gretchen Whitmore, all people in, at the show, Warhol, Career, Sandra, Ellie. And you know, brother, like you, must respect everything we go. Because you know what we do? We can do a happy dance. When it's 36 degrees in the True North Original? My God! It's a heat one. You know what? Accountability, responsibility, and you know I love you. Appreciate you all. Who wants to get married? Last smile, because that's what we're here for. My blood, family, you know I love you. Respect you all. Deborah, thank you. Inspired by all your hard work. Much respect to all you. Shine in the glory of the beautiful Sons of Liberty, True North Original family.